Specifically formulated for the delicate eye area, Micellar Water Lash Wash is a gentle, residue-free cleanser to cleanse, condition, and moisturize. Specifically designed to effectively remove makeup without rinsing, this specialized formulation also prepares the eye and brow area for our award-winning lash and brow enhancement products. Micellar Water Lash Wash does this without leaving any residue and provides a clean canvas for the application of makeup or lash extensions. To use, simply spray Micellar Water Lash Wash onto a cotton pad and gently press the pad onto a closed eye for 10 to 15 seconds to help loosen dirt and makeup. If using lash extensions, skip the cotton pad application and instead spray a few pumps directly onto the closed eye, lightly massaging the product along the lashes, and then gently wipe dry. Micellar Water Lash Wash does not contain fragrance, oil, parabens, phthalates, or gluten, and it's cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. All good reasons to trust ophthalmologist-inspired and responsibly made RevitaLash Cosmetics.